Hi everyone, welcome back to those of you who have been here a while, and welcome to all the newbies. So today I have the Tonic, can't talk today, craft kit. This is the latest one and we are in, what are we in? July 2024. So let's take a look. I've literally just unpacked this. I thought let's just open it old school. So this is called the Tiny Twist box. Which is creates this gorgeous box that as you turn this top part, it will either close it or open it, so you can have little treats and things in there. So this is your little booklet that you get with it, as always. So this is, that's quite blurred actually. It's not the camera. This is kit number 81. So I will pop this off to the side just so we can have a look, so I know what I'm telling you basically. So in this kit we get another craft binder, and I've been doing a variety of different things with these. These are meant for your stamps and dies to be stored in, so all your stamps and dies will come in this little pocket, and there's two little pockets and your stamps and your dies are all in there, and they're already pre-punched, ready to pop into here. And I think you can get 3, maybe 4, probably 3 of these in one little binder, and then every third kit you get a new binder, so that the next set of stamps and dies can go in there. But I do different things with these because I don't store my stamps and dies like this. So for these I have used these to create my stencil storage. So far, I have a video on that. If I remember, I'll link it. Otherwise, just check out the organisation playlist. And I'm now recently I've thought maybe it'd be kind of cool to make it into an A5. You could use maybe 5 by 8 pages in here, like a journal kind of thing, like an art journal sort of, maybe, kind of thing. So I'm just trying to figure out different ways. My cat and my dog having a kerfuffle. Different ways to use those binders, because I don't use them for what they are meant for, but I also don't want to get rid of them. They're a nice little binder. So yeah, so let's talk about the stamps and dies while we're here. So like I say, they come in this little doobry, and you also get the sticker, which you can put on the front of each of these if you were storing them in the binders, or you could put these on the paper pack, which is this here, whatever you want, but it's basically the name of the kit. So the dies have instructions in the background here, and I know you can't totally see the dies themselves, but there's all the different layers to create the box itself, and also some decorative pieces. Now I've got to say, Tonic do this really well. They'll add not just the basic core piece to make a box or a 3D thing or a journal, whatever it is that's in the kit that month, but they also add all these extra dies that are all decorative, and it's just so cool. So I think they do that really well. And then these pieces here, I believe they must be to create the circle. That's my guess. So I'll try and put one of these together on camera, and hopefully be able to show you so it makes sense as to how this thing works. But I think this is such a cool idea. And then the stamps that you get with them, often the stamps will coordinate with some of the dies in there. So if you didn't want to die cut the decorative elements, you could use the stamps instead and stamp onto the what would be the solid piece. So there's a few circular ones here. There's this shape, and this sort of half moon kind of shape, which if I just go back in here, there's the back of the box instructions. So for example, this little one here will fit the circular stamps. This one up here will fit this decorative stamp. So I think they think of those sort of things really well, because not everybody's into those, like all the detailed die cutting. Sometimes you just want a nice stamped image instead. So let's look at the paper, if I can get it out the box. Ooh. So let's see, we have what looks like, is this upside down? Nope. We have 2 sheets of, let's just have a look here. What is this one? Okay, I've got 2 sheets of the, I want to say that's the teal blue colour. Let me try and do this like a professional. So I think that's the teal blue colour. I happen to have 2 sheets of that. There's a Blue Frost pearlescent, which is this one. I love this. It's beautiful and it's double-sided. Amazing. Then there's a specialty card, which is the Flanders blue. I think this is this one. This kind of looks, I've got this in another kit. It looks a little bit like suede. It's the coolest thing. And then we have a lemon luster. This is stunning. This is like a real yellowy, almost a gold, again double-sided, but beautiful colour. And I'm loving the colour scheme. Blues and yellows always work really well together. Then we have some ivory white classic smooth cardstock, so that's always handy. Then we have a marigold yellow classic card, so that's that. And we have, right, this is the teal blue. And then this one must be the ocean blue classic cards. Both of the classic cards. Yes. And then this is a, oh, this is the classic card in ivory white. This smooth one is the smooth card in white. Sorry about that, it's just in the box. I should really just prep this before I open the box, but I open it as soon as I get it so that you guys see what I see. But if I put it in the same order that they're listed there, it would have been much more, you know, less of a tongue tie. But basically, this is your colour. So let me try that again. So you have your classic card in ivory white. You have your teal blue in classic card. You have your marigold yellow classic card, smooth card in white, the specialty pearlescent card in lemon luster. Then you have your specialty in Flanders blue, the pearlescent in Blue Frost, and this must be ocean blue, which I got 2 pieces, which is just a bonus, and your classic card. So those are the colours. They're beautiful colours. They go really well together. Just, I mean, you can't go wrong. It's stunning. Should pop that back in there. Now we have the bag of fun. The bag of fun. So we have some pastel highlights, highly pigmented colour, classic colour pencils. 12 different colours, and these are, I guess these are like normal, what I would call normal colour pencils, but you could use these because they're wax based. You could use them with like a Gamsol or a low odour mineral spirits, and you could actually blend with them with a blending stump. Very, very cool. Then we have a glitter marker. Oh, there it is, in Lemon Drizzle. I think this came in one of the other kits, so I will probably give this to my mum, because sometimes with some of these things I don't always know what to do with them. So I have these lovely little markers and things, but it's a nice way to try bits out, which is why I like kits. So but yes, this is a very glittery Lemon Drizzle colour marker, and it's kind of got like a fat nib, if you can see that there. So that's very cool. we have some more deluxe adhesive. I love this stuff. Again, it came in one of the other kits. I'm still using that bottle, but it's really good adhesive, so it's worth trying, especially for things like boxes and that. And then we have the Neptune turquoise, which is a pearlescent metallic crystal drop. I won't take it out the bag yet, but it's this beautiful under the sea almost. It gives me that vibe. So that is the kit for this month. I hope you've enjoyed this video, somewhat randomly, random kind of video, the way that it's been done, but it's the way I roll sometimes. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. I, as always, will try and bring you an actual video of these things, or I will try and show you a different way to use some of the elements in there and create just a cool card, or a I'm going down a slightly different route because we're getting into Halloween season. Yes, I know it's July, but you know. So I may try and do something else with this instead. But I will be back, of course, to show you what I come up with. So until then, bye for now.